Communicate, man.
This is something we are not seeing every day. During the Ukrainian offensive in Kursk, Ukrainian Stryker APC of the 80th Air Assault Brigade runs over Russian infantry after running out of ammo. President Zelensky reported Russian losses in the Kursk direction. He says that during the Kursk operation, the enemy has already lost over 38,000 soldiers in this single direction alone, with about 15,000 of them being irrecoverable, the president stated in his evening address. Men, move forward! A video of clearing out enemy positions in Kharkiv region. A group of soldiers quietly entered enemy trenches, eliminating several Russians with the first burst of fire. They advanced trench by trench, taking down FPV drones with gunfire, and reached bunkers, which were cleared and secured by the fighters of the 3rd Assault Brigade.
Move forward, man. Come on, come on. Where? Plus, plus. Move forward, forward. 15 meters. 15 meters forward. Him, faster, damn it. Quiet, damn it. Contact, contact. Two games. Two games. Man, move forward, damn it. We have little time. They're going to start firing at us. On the road. Across the field. Across the field, brother. Oh, come on. They're already firing at us. Let's go. We need to move faster. Oh, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Faster, 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 man. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, man. Go over the top. Go forward. Go. Right, look right. FTV. FPV. Do not drain. Communicate, man. Shot down, shot down, shot down. Get up. Good. Shoot her down. Shoot her the hell down. There she is. She's going to kill us now, damn it. Didn't kill us, idiot. That's it. Let's kill it. Kill it. Clean up faster. Keep going, guys. Meanwhile, how many jerks for 200? I guess how many? No one. There's a dugout on the right. One? Great. There's a dugout on the right. Get in there. Took one down. Dude, took another one down. And another one. Well, now 3. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. Didn't lose the camera. Already good. Move forward. How many bastards did you kill? How many alive did you kill? Oh, 0 alive. Task of clearing completed. Ammunition expenditure 15%. No wounded. All equipment in place. 3 bastards eliminated. Alright, in short, were there any survivors? Yes, there were survivors. Everything good, friends? Yes, great. We did well.
the Defense Intelligence of Ukraine intercepted an order from Russian command to execute a Ukrainian soldier. In a conversation intercepted by Ukrainian intelligence, the commander of a unit within the 60th Separate Motorized Rifle Brigade of the 5th Army of the Russian Armed Forces issued a criminal order to execute a Ukrainian Defense Forces prisoner of war. During the conversation, a Russian soldier reports to his commander about completing another task and capturing a Ukrainian soldier. The commander replies, "Have a personal talk with this Ukrop and zero him out."
Там они еще и пленного с собой укропа, я так понял, взяли. Понял, как завтра задачу буду выполнять? Я говорю, да как завтра будем задачу выполнять, я что-то не понял. Но я так и буду делать, и та группа попробую с запада одну, и с востока одну затянуть. Его знает. Выводи своих свинов неспособных или посылай, кила их, полкай, если они по дороге не пусть он их переброшет. Вот. С этим укропом сам лично пообщайся и обнули его. Как меня понял?
I lost my son. I buried him. The body of one brother is still lying near Robotine. We can't collect it and lay him to rest. The second brother, the youngest, is crippled. The third one's going there now, to the special military operation. I have no one else to give to this war, shares a leader of a Russian charity foundation. She has many complaints about lack of supplies to Russian troops and people's indifference to the war. She never mentions who started the war or who carries the real blame for her family members dying.
I, Oksana Nikolaevna Skar, leader of the foundation, charitable foundation, Archangel. I can talk about myself now, in brief. I lost my son. Buried. One brother is still on the way. We cannot retrieve him. Lay him to rest. The second brother, the youngest, maimed. The third one now. He's leaving. There too. To the village. I have no one else to give to this war. But I've been on it since day one. There's a lot that can be said. Awaken our people. This matter seems pointless. People understand the carrot and stick approach. Help. I won't ask for myself. I travel on credit. I don't trust anyone. My friend and I pass things hand to hand there. And they need everything. What do men need? Meat, right? A man is hungry without meat. There is a problem with vegetables. There is a problem with drone nets. And these are all consumables. This is what is needed every day. We equip the guys. We order. We pay. With people's money. From grandmothers and grandfathers. But those who have money are in no hurry to help. That's the problem. Why? Those who sit here and do not take up a gun, and do not crawl into this trench to spend the night in the ground, live in the ground, survive in the ground. Why does someone count on me? His miserable payments for blood. I can say a lot, and I can tell a lot. So I am counting on you. On your help. I won't display my medal. My uncle asked. Show it. When we win, I will show it.
President Zelensky made a very fair point. Americans still don't understand who Putin really is. They form their opinion of him based on their own values. Putin is a person who lives in the system of primitive societies, a tribe, not a developed civilization.
Everyone will hear you. They will hear you. Including the President of Russia will hear you. This is why I have hope.
He is actually deaf, even if he speaks to you. He is deaf by his very nature. Do you understand the difference? And Putin doesn't launch rockets to save money, but to kill people. Do you think you can talk to Putin about technology? Your guys were interviewing him, and he told them about tribal history, technology, Mars, artificial intelligence. And this guy, Putin, is standing there bare-assed, pontificating about tribes. You've got to understand. You think that when you do interviews, like Mr. Tucker, who did an interview there, that you're about to make them friends. How could you? What does this have to do with friends? He's different. He is simply different.
But it's still necessary.
A mammoth stands before you.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.